Good morning and happy Finance Friday, RhinoCats. It's Miss Mary Louise, and it's that time of the week where we talk about things related to money. Last week, we did a really fun project where we made our own counting boards or money mats. And this week, we're going to be doing an assignment on IXL where we're going to be adding coins and bills up to $5. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to review the value of our coins and bills, as well as practice what writing money values look like. Then we're going to dive into some example problems that you may encounter on IXL. So first things first, let's review our common coins and our bills and their values. All right, RhinoCats, so first things first, we're going to review our coins, our dollar bill, and their values, just so we're familiar with what they look like. If we can more easily identify our coins and our bills, we can more easily add and subtract them. So starting with our penny, it's worth worth 1 cent. So this is our coin that is worth the least value. So the least valuable coin. It's got Abraham Lincoln on the front, and it's typically has the Lincoln Memorial on the back, although this is a newer coin to the right, so it's got the 1 cent shield, but it is our only coppery looking coin. So penny, 1 cent, Abraham Lincoln, crest or Lincoln Memorial on the back. Our nickel is 5 cents. We have Thomas Jefferson on the front or on the head. He's got a big collar and wig. And on the back is Monticello, which is the building that he lived in. So 5 cents, 5 times more than our penny. Our dime is our smallest coin, although it is definitely not the least valuable. It's worth 10 cents, so 10 times more than our penny and 2 times more than our nickel. Our dime has President Roosevelt on the head. He does not have a collar or a big wig on. And then on the back is our torch, our olive branch, and our oak branch. So dime there. Quarter, that is our... it's our greatest value amongst our common coins. So 25 cents is what our quarter is worth. So 25 times more than our penny, 5 times more than our nickel, and it doesn't go evenly with our dime, but it's worth 2.5 dimes basically. But our quarter has George Washington on the front or on the head, big white wig. He doesn't have a collar. He has an exposed neck. And then on the back, we've got a bald eagle. So 25-cent quarter. And then finally, our dollar, once again, has George Washington on the front. It has ones in all the corners on the front side of the bill, so you know it's worth $1. And then on the back, we have our crest and shield. So those are our coins and our $1 bill. And then as far as writing money values go, you may have to do this on IXL, so I want you guys to be familiar with it. If you have $1 and 25 cents, how you would write that is you would write $1 and then period or decimal 25 cents. So this period or decimal is basically taking the place of the word and. So $1 and 25 cents. Obviously, if you have 100 cents, that's going to be equivalent or equal to $1. So you would just write $1. You wouldn't write 0.100. And then if you have $3.72, you would write $3 period 72 for $3.72. All right, RhinoCat, so your IXL challenge today is going to be to add coins and dollars together to find the total value of money. So you're going to have to look at the coins or bills provided, add up their value, and then type the value into the boxes they provide. So obviously they're going to provide you with coins on IXL. I provided you with real coins in these examples here because I wanted to be as precise as possible. So for example, if you were to see problem number 1 that says how much money is there, what I would do first is I would identify each coin, and then if you can, write down the value. Obviously, you can't write the value next to the coin on the computer, but you can on a scrap piece of paper or dry erase board. So what I would do is I would say what is going to be my largest value here out of all these coins? I know that my quarter is going to be worth 25 cents. That's going to be the highest value. I'm going to label that first. And then I've got a dime here that is worth 10 cents. I also have a nickel that is worth 5 cents. And then finally a penny that's worth 1 cent. So I'm going to take all these values and I'm going to add them up horizontally. So I'm going to say 25 plus 10 plus 5 plus 1, okay? And I'm going to say 5 plus 0 is 5, plus 5 is 10, plus 1 is 11. I'm going to put down my 1 and carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, so I'm going to have 41 cents. You could also just count on, you could say 25 plus 10. If you know that adding a new 10 is going to give you 35, I know that 35 plus 5 is 40, and then plus 1 more is 41. So it still gives me the same thing, and then I actually swapped these. I should have put the dollar one up here. But it would have a cents symbol out to the side, so you wouldn't have to worry about that. You would just write 41 in the blank or type it, obviously, because you're going to be on a computer. This next one says, how much money is there? And we've got bills and coins. So let's start with our bills. I know that I have 2 ones here. So I'm going to put 2 and is going to be my little decimal or period. I know that my cents come after that. I'm going to look for my largest amount first, which is 25 here with my quarter. My quarters were 25 cents. I know that this is a dime. It has the torch, the olive branch, and an oak branch, excuse me, on the back. So 10. My nickel is 5. My penny is 1. Okay, so I'm going to add all those up. So I'm going to say 25 plus 10 plus 5 plus 1. Oh, it's going to give me the same amount. It's the same amount of cents, right, that we just did on this one. It's 41 cents. So 5 plus 5, right? 10. Yeah. It's going to give me 11. 2 plus 1 is 3. Plus 1 is 4. So still gives me 41 cents. I ran out of room there, but I will just put it next to the 2 behind the decimal or period. So it's $2.41 there. I probably should have mixed it up a little bit. Oh well. Hopefully you guys get the point. You are just adding the coins and the bills together. If you have a dollar and cents amount, make sure you put the dollar amount first, followed by a period or decimal, and then your cents amount. For example, $2, there would be a dollar sign out here, and 41 cents. And there actually wouldn't be that sign there. Sorry, I messed up a little, guys, today, but I'm not going to redo it. So happy Friday. Go find your IXL assignments below in the description box. Adding money up to $5. Good luck.